After making chicken breast like this, you won't want to make it any other way. Here I'm using chicken breast, and I'm going to start cutting it at the top like this. Remember, you can't go all the way through or you'll cut through the chicken. Once that's done, now let's set it aside. Here in the container, we'll start by adding soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons. I'm also going to add some sweet paprika, black pepper, oregano, a bay leaf, a little bit of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves already crushed, and I'm just mixing all of that together really well. Next, we're also going to add a little bit of salt. Remember that the spices are to your liking. We're going to go back to mixing, and now we're going to put all of the chicken breasts into that mixture. Once this is done, we will let it rest for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. Meanwhile, in a larger container, we will add here an onion cut into slices. On top, we're going to add sliced tomatoes now to form a layer for the chicken. Next, we're going to add the chicken breasts. Once that's done, we're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees and leave it for 30 minutes. After that time, just take it out, and atop it, I'm going to add some mozzarella. The amount is up to your taste. Put it back in the oven until the cheese has melted or turned golden brown. And just look at this, folks. How incredible this chicken turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at your homes. I'm certain everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Sending a big warm hug. Until next time, and it was worth it.